Hello and welcome, this is Sohaib here, and in this video we are going to be discussing a new launch by DAMAC with the name of DAMAC District, and the location is pretty much prime. We're talking about DAMAC Hills 1, a 42 million square feet of a community with over 90% of occupancy right now. If we talk about the exact location, you get the access from the Hessa Street, also you have the entrance from the Emirates Road as well. To be exact, with this specific plot where you're getting residential plus commercial towers, it is located right next to DAMAC Hills Mall. And also if we talk about DAMAC Hills 1 specifically, like you can say it is a fully self-sustained community with all of the basic amenities pretty much operational. If we talk about hotels, parks, retails, or even the golf courses are pretty much operational right now. Talking about the reputation and worth of the developer, we all know that DAMAC is a big name, like it is UAE's largest private developer right now with a delivery of over 48,000 plus units, which is a huge achievement as well. Also in terms of communities, they have completed communities like DAMAC Hills 1, DAMAC Hills 2 and DAMAC Lagoons is already pretty much operational. In their recent launches, they are working in DAMAC Riverside and DAMAC Sun City as well. Also, if we talk about global brand collaborations, we are talking about Robert Cavalli, we are talking about Versace Home or even Trump Organization as well. Like in terms of hotel chains, if we talk about Radisson, Paramount Hotels, or even their recent collaboration was with Chelsea, and the new building was launched named as Chelsea Residences in Maritime City, which is a huge success as well. DAMAC is also known for offering high-end amenities, like if we talk about DAMAC Hills 2, who gives a lazy river in the middle of desert. We are not talking about the basic amenities like tennis courts or maybe volleyball courts or barbecue area, kids play area. We are talking about Trump International Golf Course or a lazy river in the middle of a desert, and DAMAC Hills 2 is a live example of it. Other than this, if we talk about the essentials, you get Jabal Ali International School within the community, you get kids nursery, you get golf courses, or even the supermarkets are pretty much operational right now. Diving deep into the numbers, like total office sale transactions in first half of 2025 were around 2600 in total, and we see the sale volume which is around 7.5 billion dirhams, like with the average selling price of around 1746 in total. If we talk about the lease transactions, total number of transactions in first half of 2025 were around like 156,000 with the average rate around 118 dirhams per square feet. If we talk about like top businesses demanding office spaces in first half of 2025, business services stands out with 38%, then we have technology at 31%, real estate is at 12%, and banking and finance is at the last 10% in total. If we can rank the areas in terms of quality, the building age and the amenities those are offering, in terms of grade A, we are getting the most prime business districts like DIFC, Downtown and Business Bay. And if we talk about grade B locations, we have like JLT, Al Barsha or TCOM, and even at grade C, we get the older areas like Bur Dubai, Dera and Al Qusais as well. So these grading is on terms of the quality they are offering, in terms of the building age as well, and also the amenities you are getting in this area. If we talk about DAMAC district specifically, we are getting 47 office spaces in total with a sellable area of around 4500 square feet, and the starting price is going to be 6.1 million dirham. Maximum it goes to like 11.8 million dirhams, but definitely it depends on the size and layout what unit you are getting. In terms of residentials, we are getting two towers, one is tower A, other one is tower B, where you are getting 1 and 2 bedroom residential units. Talking about one bedrooms, we have 350 in total, like the average sellable area is going to be around 730 square feet with a minimum starting price of around 1.1 million dirhams. Maximum it goes to 1.7 million dirhams with the average price of around 1.3 million dirhams. If we talk about the average price per square feet, it is going to be around 1800 dirhams per square feet. Definitely it depends on the size and what view you are getting. Considering two bedrooms, we have 142 units in total with an average sellable area of around 1200 square feet. Starting price is going to be 1.7 million dirhams and maximum it goes to 2.3 million dirhams. Definitely it depends on what view you are getting and what type of amenities you are getting. In terms of investment, I do think so DAMAC is pretty much good brand to go with, just because you are getting 9 to 10% ROI for the commercials, and residentials are around 6 to 7% after paying the service charges and everything. That's it for now. If you need to ask anything, just send me a WhatsApp. I'm always up. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.